How is the minimum payment calculated on the Capital One Quicksilver? Have you ever wondered how your minimum payment is determined on the Capital One Quicksilver credit card? Understanding this can help you manage your finances better while earning cash back on your purchases. The minimum payment on the Capital One Quicksilver is typically based on a percentage of your outstanding balance. This balance includes any new interest charges and fees that may apply. While the exact formula is not publicly shared by Capital One, many credit card companies use similar methods. One common approach is the percentage of balance method. In this case, the minimum payment is usually around 1% to 3% of your total balance, plus any interest and fees. For example, if your balance is over $1,000, your minimum payment might be about 2% of that total. Another method that may be used is a fixed minimum payment floor. If your balance is smaller, typically under $1,000, the minimum payment might be a fixed dollar amount, often around $25. If your balance is very low, below that fixed amount, you would pay the full balance as your minimum payment. It is important to note that your minimum payment amount can change each month. This is because it depends on your current balance, any new purchases, and any interest accrued. If you miss a payment or pay less than the minimum, late fees may be added to your balance. This could lead to higher future minimum payments. While paying only the minimum keeps your account in good standing, it also means you will carry a balance that accrues interest. This can increase the total amount you owe and the time it takes to pay off your debt. On the other hand, paying more than the minimum can help you reduce your balance faster and lower the interest you pay over time. In summary, the minimum payment on the Capital One Quicksilver card is likely calculated as a small percentage of your balance, plus any interest and fees. There is usually a minimum dollar floor, around $25, if your balance is low. The exact amount varies monthly depending on your balance and account activity. Paying more than the minimum is a smart choice to reduce debt faster and minimize interest charges while you earn cash back on every purchase.